All right, this is how you use Google Sheets and Google Sheets to sum up your totals. You go under your profile. As you can see, I have some numbers already plugged in. Now, in order to add these numbers, all you have to do is grab a designated cell, pull it down to where you want to have the total at. So you just do that right at the cell above the total. And then the bottom, you will see FX, you'll see sum, and you'll see your number. Then you just plug that in, and it'll give you a summation of all the totals for that month. Now, if you want to add sideways to get a grand total for the entire year, you grab you highlight the cell that you want to pull towards for your grand total, pull it all the way to the end of the year, and do it at the cell before that, the grand total. And that way, at the end of that highlight, you will get your entire sum for the entire year for all your expenditures. You can see the number just pops up. And that's basically how you do your numbers to sum them up. I will do other videos to help you add dollar signs, symbols, and a fiche, or anything else that you like. Thank you.